We know how complex it can be when managing day-to-day operations. We've created fully integrated touchscreen solutions for the warehouse factory floor environment, drastically reducing paperwork and administration while streamlining your processes. This video looks at how our kiosks handle a full business case, from receiving ingredients and materials to manufacturing finished products and finally dispatching those products. Goods in. Complete purchase order for raw materials, ingredients. Log on to Kiosk and choose desired PO. Scan items, record quantities and print labels. Record batch information, batch number, receiving date, best before date. Finalize by completing quality checks and recording signature. Order has been processed, batch information has been recorded and items have been placed into stock in real time. Production. Schedule production with work order. Log on to Kiosk and choose order from order number or current schedule. Consume raw materials, ingredients by scanning items, recording quantities and batch information. Create finished product of desired quantity. Record batch information. Finalize by completing quality checks and recording signature. Raw materials, ingredients have been consumed. All batch information has been recorded and finished products have been placed into stock in real time. Dispatch. Complete sales order with assigned dispatch date. Log on to Kiosk and choose desired SO. Scan items, record quantities and print labels. Record batch information. Choose from a list of available batches. Finalize by completing quality checks and recording signature. Order has been processed, batch information has been recorded and items have been dispatched and removed from stock. Using the kiosks we have 1. Received raw materials, ingredients into stock. 2. Manufactured finished product and consumed raw materials, ingredients. 3. Dispatched the goods to the customer, captured batch information and enforced quality control throughout the process. Find out more on our website, herbstsoftware.com.